नो इट कि ये एसिड पेप्टिक डिसऑर्डर है, आपको सबसे पहले बर्निंग होगी। एंड वेन एवर यू विल ईट सच फूड जो कि ज्यादा स्पाइसी हो या अल्कोहल ज्यादा हो लेंगे आप जिस दिन, आप उस दिन आपको बर्निंग शुरू हो जाएगी। एंड स्लोली इट विल कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग एंड यू विल हैव बर्निंग इवन इफ यू टेक नॉर्मल फूड ऑल्सो लेटर ऑन। सो देन द क्वेश्चन इज के what should be done to prevent it, and what how to prevent it? So we can prevent it by changing our lifestyle। उसमें हमें अपना फूड हैबिट्स चेंज करनी पड़ेंगी। वी विल हैव टू टेक लेस स्पाइसी फूड और वी कैन टेक नॉन स्पाइसी फूड, एंड वी शुड अवॉइड टेकिंग अल्कोहल एंड वी शुड स्टॉप स्मोकिंग। एंड along with that lifestyle change करने में, if you go for a walk, if you do small exercises in the morning, that will also help you in reducing the acid peptic disorder. And then the second thing for the management is we can use certain medicines to prevent this acid peptic disorders. Usme we have H2 blockers which decreases the acid, acid secretion. Then we have the to reduce the acidity in our stomach. And along with that, we have the drugs like omeprazole, pantoprazole, rabiprazole, which also help in reducing the acid peptic disorder. And the question is how to diagnose it. We normal जो person है, he can come to know of it with the symptoms. That will be burning sensation. It can be vomiting also after taking some food. ये जो and then the final diagnosis can be made by putting in an endoscope, and we do gastroscopy, and along with that we take out certain biopsy also अगर हमें लगता है कि यहाँ पे एसिड है। and its basic और reason is H. pylori एक organism होता है which can cause this acidity. It is an and for that we take a biopsy, और biopsy करके we see for the H. pylori in that. And after that, once we have made the diagnosis, then we go for the management. Management is we give antibiotics, we give H2 blockers, and we give drugs like omeprazole and pantoprazole and all these drugs. And then along with that, we have this lifestyle management, which is very important for a common person. And then there are certain myths also, which we should disclose. The first myth is कि दूध पीने से एसिडिटी कम हो जाती है। नो डाउट इट गिव्स यू a temporary relief, but in the long run it increases the acidity. It doesn't decreases the acidity. Then the second myth is कि we should take certain food जिससे हो जाता है, और we should do certain things. And along with that, one thing which can help us is to maintain the proper posture also. And and another thing which is quite of the amusement to us, when the astronauts go outside, go in the space, and there is zero gravity, then the acid can they can have increase in the acidity because the acid doesn't go down because of gravity. हमारी body में जो acid बनता है, it goes down through the intestines because of gravity. तो वहाँ जीरो ग्रेविटी होने की वजह से वो भी एक प्रॉब्लम होती है जिसको वो लोग ग्रेविटी सिचुएशन क्रिएट करके टैकल करते हैं। And in the end, I would like to tell that we should maintain our lifestyle, proper lifestyle. We should avoid taking hot food. We should avoid taking tobacco, avoid taking alcohol. And okay, कितना हुआ?
हो गया
6 मिनट।
6 मिनट हो गए 11
6 मिनट तो 2-3 मिनट ठीक है ना?
मेरे यहाँ पे बंद हो जाएगा ना।